Hello friends, today I will teach you how to solve YouTube auto pause problem. First, go to Play Store and download Auto Clicker. We will try it on the 70 videos if it will work. Go to Auto Clicker settings and configure it. You may also copy my settings if you want. Enable Auto Clicker, then go to YouTube. Put the auto clicker on the pause or resume button of the video. You can also put this on yes confirmation.
A few moments later.
That's it. Please like and subscribe if it works on you. Shout out to our new subscribers.